Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to learn Clipart and make them into coloring pages using Canva. That being said, as you can see right now, I am currently in the Canva website. More specifically, I am the home page or landing page of Canva. So if you're on this link, www.canva.com, this is the website or landing page you should be seeing on your end also. That being said, if you're watching this on your iOS, your tablet, your phone, even though your mobile devices, please stay in the video because the process is literally the same across all devices. That being said, let's get started right here and basically click on the create design on the upper right section. Now with this one, there is not a specific resolution or size that I want you to choose from. So for example, right there, I'm just going to specifically choose on a desktop wallpaper 1920 by 1080. However, if you have a specific size for your template, simply click on the customize size right here and then just type in your height and rather width height. Now, since I'm just going to use a basic one, click on desktop wallpaper right there, and then I'm going to be redirected on this landing page. Basically, this is the editing platform. This is the Canva of Canva, right? So let's get started right there. Now, before we get started, you're gonna need clip arts, or rather photos. And as you can see right here, I have already uploaded few samples for us to work with. Now, these samples I got are from the internet. They're basically free. But if you have an account here, that is the website of Creative Fabrica, or Creative Fabrica, this is the site you can get perfect clip arts. Just type in right there. Let me just teach you where to find a best clip art. Just type in Christmas clip art, and then with this one you'll see this results. Give me a second to load, and as you can see over here, let me just find it. Should be here somewhere, the one I found earlier. So this, for example, is a perfect clip art. However, this specific samples are with payments. So if you don't want to search the web and then dig deep in the internet to find a free one, you can just go to this website and buy clip arts to use with. That being said, I have another website for you to check out. It's gonna be this one, stockandprofit.gumber.com, and basically just type in the prompts that you get from ChatGPT and then put it right there, and then you'll get this specific clip arts to make them to coloring pages. Okay? But with this video, we're gonna focus on Canva. Let's go back to Canva right there, and then use the clip arts I got from the internet. For example, this one right here. So let's focus with this little pilgrim boy, and then what you want is, of course, highlight it. So how would you know you've highlighted your clip art? You're gonna see this violet line or purple line, or rather purple frame around it. Once you highlight it, I want you to pay your attention on the sections above. We have edit photo, we have flip, we have animate position, and so on and so forth. So click on edit photo right there, and once you click on edit photo, you'll notice these sections over here that are changed for new tools. You'll have effects, adjust, and crop. I want you to pay attention to adjust and then just scroll down a little bit, because Canva just added this one that says color edit. Basically, this part right here depends on what photo you have. These two colors, for example, the brownish nude and then the perfect nude, are found in this photo. So what you want to do is, of course, make these two black and white. How can we do that? Basically, choose one color first. As you notice, if you choose a color, you'll see these options: hue, saturation, and brightness. You want to choose hue, make it still, make sure it's 0. Don't touch this. And then pay your attention to saturation, and then just lower it all the way down to 100. As you adjust the saturation, you'll notice your photo, it goes from a little bit with tone or with color up to a little bit darker or rather lighter. Now, is this enough? This is not enough yet to make it a coloring pages, but we're on the right track, right? So next step is gonna be this specific brightness. Pull it all the way up, and as you can see, so saturation is all the way down, and then brightness all the way up, and you'll still see those colors right there. which are not good. So to fix those, choose the whites right there and pull it all the way up. Easy as that. And as you notice, we already have a black and white for Clipart to work with. Now this is still not enough, so basically that's the process, right? Now I'm gonna take you some more process right there. For example, I already have a black and white there, so this should be working enough. And then I'm gonna use this photo. So I have 4 pilgrims. Now I'm gonna share a trick with you, okay? So if, for example, you only have this specific photo, but you want to take one of each and make them a clip art for one of each, right? A simple trick for you is make sure you highlight them, right? And then simply hover for a specific one that you wanna focus on. Easy as that. And then that being said, with this specific pilgrim, you can work with the process I told you earlier. So edit photo, adjust, choose the color, and then saturation, brightness, and basically just to make it a little bit step, whites right there, right? And then do it to the next one. So let me just set this aside. Click the photo again. Now I'm gonna focus on the second one. Easy. So I'm just gonna repeat this process all together. Edit photo, adjust, choose the photo, saturation all the way down, brightness all the way up, and whites. Where is it? There you go. So as you can see, there is still some photo left in this one because this is not a perfect clip art. I am showing you this one right now to compare regarding the paid version earlier, the one I've mentioned regarding this website. So this website are the perfect clip art. So versus the one I got from the internet, there is still a little bit color left. Now with this one, we can just leave it as it is because we can always choose the specific region to color with as of now, right? So if you want a perfect one like this or this one, might as well use the paid website. So again, let me just continue my process. I'm just gonna skip this one because I already have one over there and pay my attention on this little girl. So again, edit photo, same process. Stay with me, right? So saturation all the way down, brightness all the way up, and then whites all the way up. Again, same as this one, I still have a few colors left. To make sure to highlight that if you want a perfect one, again, choose the paid version of the website. Now that being said, this is just a process of how to do it. Basically, the limit here would be imagination. Moving forward, adding a page right there is simply playing with it. For example, I'm just gonna design it for page 2 and then page 3. I'm gonna use this one and make them all together. As you can see right there, I'm just designing. I'm done with the process. I'm done. I'm finished with the process of making them black and white. The one I'm doing right now is basically designing the format or template of my coloring book. As you can see right there, I'm just doing anything here to show you that the only process left is designing the coloring pages as you see fit. That being said, if you're satisfied with this one, simply click the share button and then download, and you should be good to go. And that's how you create a clip art and make them into coloring painting, or rather coloring pages using Canva. That being said, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one, okay? Goodbye for now.